If you want to hide the photos on your iPhone, you can either hide the entire photos gallery or you can hide individual photos that might be sensitive or personal. I'll show you both options on your iPhone. So the first option is to hide all of the photos in the Photos gallery. Instead of tapping on it to open up the Photos app, you can press and hold on the app and then tap on Require Face ID and Require Face ID. Now you will need to use your Face ID to authenticate this. And now this doesn't hide the app itself. Anybody can see it there and tap on it. However, it says Face ID is required to open up that photo. So I can always use my Face ID and open it up. But if somebody doesn't have access to the Face ID, they won't be able to unlock it. However, another option is to just hide individual photos within your Photos gallery. To be able to do that, you have two options. One is just to tap on a random photo, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Hide, and choose Hide Photo. That is one option. However, if you have multiple different photos you want to hide, just tap on the Select button at the top right, select multiple different photos, and after you've done that, tap on those three dots at the top right and choose Hide, and then Hide. Now, let's find where those photos are. So we're going to go to your collections. If you're scrolling through and don't see the collections option, just tap on the photo button at the left and then tap on collections. And now some of these might be expanded or opened up or closed, but you're looking for utilities. So scroll down and find utilities on this list and tap on it. And then you can see that second option is hidden. Just tap on hidden and you'll be able to see it pops up with all of those hidden photos that I can now just tap on it to open them up. And of course I can always unhide those. To be able to Face ID lock this hidden folder, you can just hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And now from here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until we get to Photos on this list. So find the P section and tap on Photos. And then scroll down and toggle on Use Face ID or your passcode to view hidden and recently deleted albums. Now, if you wanted one step in addition to that, you can always toggle off Show Hidden Album. Now, if you go back into the Photos app, let me authenticate this real quick and go back. It will not even show the hidden album or the hidden folder in the utilities. To be able to even reveal it, to be able to tap on it, you would need to go back into the settings, toggle on Show Hidden Album, and then use your Face ID to be able to see it, which is multiple layers so that someone else won't be able to see or find those hidden photos or videos. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.